What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I've done a YouTube video, but figured I'd just make this update video and show you that I got another eclipse. This one actually has a motor and tranny and just needs a few basic things to be done. It's a 5-speed manual, non-turbo, of course, for now though. It's gonna be turboed eventually. The other one was just an automatic, and I didn't want that, so I found this one for $600, so I got that, and I probably have almost I have a good bit of money into it, but right now I'm getting ready to install coilovers on it, so I'll make an update when they're on, but I'll walk around the car and show you the car now. Okay, so this is the Eclipse. I got put all new rotors and brakes on it, clean that up a little bit, put some aftermarket headers on it. It's got a Canon intake that needs clean because it's pretty disgusting. I bought Halo LED lights. That's the mess that I'm doing now. Yeah. And this is the car. It's manual. It's got a real shitty radio in it. I took the 2G floor mats out of my other Eclipse. Like my first one, put them in here. It's full leather, black interior. That's pretty, like, that's not a whole lot of it. Bought aftermarket tail lights. I'm gonna probably black out this piece, I don't know yet. It's got my favorite spoiler on it, that's for sure. The new front bumper right here. I had to get a new one because the other one was trashed. The windows are gonna be tinted on it. And then it had OZ Rally wheels, so those are nice. But yeah, this is pretty much the car. This is the old block for the other Eclipse. It's pretty much, it's bare right now. I don't know. It'll be fixed eventually, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, this is the car. Not much done right now, but it will be. And that was just my walkthrough of the car. I would show you, I have the coilovers, they're right there. When they're installed and the car's on the ground, I will show you how low it is. I have a picture of the stock height of the car that I will put in the video to show you what it looks like just on the wheels and show you the difference, see how much it dropped it. Those coils are adjustable from 1 to 3 inches drop, so yeah, I'll let you know when they're on, and just wanted to make this video for you guys to see. Alright, peace.